Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money on Google Play using a gift card, step by step. So the tutorial today is how to add Google Play balance from a gift card. First, make sure you have your Google Play gift card ready. The code is usually on the back of the card, or it may be sent to you by email if you bought it digitally. Now, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Redeem. A small pop-up window will appear. Carefully enter the gift card code, then tap Redeem again. To finish adding the money to your account, tap Confirm. The balance will be added to your Google Play account right away. You can also redeem a gift card while making a purchase. Start buying an app, game, or content in the Play Store, then tap the Google Play icon when choosing a payment method. When the payment options appear, select the option to redeem a code. Enter the gift card code, tap Redeem, then tap Confirm to complete the purchase using your gift card balance. And that's it. That's how you add money to Google Play using a gift card. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Android and Google tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.